On July 20th, SpaceX successfully launched South Korea's military communication satellite ANASIS 2. This launch seems to be an ordinary SpaceX launch, but had some amazing achievements they have accomplished, including breaking NASA's Space Shuttle reuse record and catching both the fairing halves. Hi, it's Alan from Space Daily. Here we make awesome new videos related to space science and technology and provide you guys with all the updates. South Korea's ANASIS 2 military communication satellite rocketed away from Cape Canaveral on top of a Falcon 9 launcher. The ANASIS 2 spacecraft was manufactured by Airbus Defence and Space in Toulouse, France, and is based on Airbus Eurostar E3000 satellite design. ANASIS 2 will provide secured communications over wide coverage. South Korea procured the satellite through an offset arrangement to offset South Korea's purchase of F-35 fighter jets from Lockheed Martin. In exchange for South Korea's purchase of 40 F-35 fighter jets, a deal reportedly valued at more than $6 billion, Lockheed Martin agreed to provide the ANASIS 2 satellite to the South Korean military, among other offsets. Lockheed Martin ultimately subcontracted the satellite manufacturing deal to Airbus and booked launch services for ANASIS 2 with SpaceX. Before ANASIS 2, South Korea's military has relied on international and civilian-owned satellites for communications. A dual-use satellite named ANASIS 1 launched in 2006 to provide commercial and military telecom services. As previously mentioned, SpaceX Falcon 9 booster B1058 has broken a decades-old NASA Space Shuttle reuse record. Falcon 9 booster B1058 lifted off for the second time in 51 days, beating the Space Shuttle's 35-year-old turnaround record by a slim margin. Prior to this launch, NASA set that record in 1985 when it launched the same Space Shuttle orbiter twice in 54 days. A truly incredible feat for such a complex vehicle. ANASIS 2 mission was host to yet another major rocket reusability milestone. For the first time ever, SpaceX has successfully caught both halves of Falcon 9's payload fairing with twin recovery ships, Mystery and Mischief. The first time in history that an orbital-class rocket's deployable payload fairing has been fully recovered. SpaceX began experimenting with fairing recovery more than 3 years ago and started trying to catch fairing halves in February 2018. In 12 attempts, SpaceX managed to catch 3 single fairing halves, although many more were recovered and even reused after soft ocean landings. Those fairings are being used in Starlink launches now. Fairings are valued at around $3 million per piece, so the recovery enables lower cost of launch and much flexible supply of fairings for their upcoming missions. SpaceX is going on making new milestones with every mission, and they have at least 2 launches planned for this month. So we will have more to talk about. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.